Kevin McDonald with Confluency Solutions. Weekly quick tip again. This week I want to talk about Google Ads and does it make sense to run a Google ad for the kind of business you want to attract. A couple numbers here, $48.42. That's the average cost per click for insurance-related Google ad campaigns, one of the more expensive industries. And then 2.35%, that's the average landing page conversion. So when somebody clicks through, gets to your landing page, do they call you, do they fill a form out, right? Let's do a couple more calculations. So the average cost per click, $48.42. And suppose you get 100 clicks over the course of a campaign. That's almost $5,000 that you've spent there. Does that make sense? Well, maybe. So 2.35% is over 100 clicks is 2.35 leads. I'm going to round that up to 3. It just makes life a little easier. And then if your sale conversion, once you get a lead, is 50%, you're looking at $3,200 in business acquisition for a new account or a new policy. So you need to be careful. You need to look at the sweet spot where there's less competition. Car insurance, home insurance generally isn't it. A lot of competition from the direct writers and other people. Also, the other sweet spot is what is your commission once you get a sale. So you don't want to do a $100 sale. You want something in the thousands typically.